U.S. Army with 5th Battalion, 3rd Artillery Regiment. 17th Field Artillery Brigade, Fort Lewis, Wash, operating M140 to HIMARS, High Mobility Artillery Rocket System. In support of Joint War Assessment 19 exercise at the Yakima Training Center, Wash, JWAS mission is to assess multi-domain operations concepts, capabilities, and formations. The M140 to High Mobility Artillery Rocket System HIMARS is a lightweight rocket launcher made in the United States, mounted on a standard medium Army Tactical Vehicle MTV truck frame. HIMARS carries 6 rockets or 1 MGM-140. ATACMS missile in a 5-ton family of medium tactical vehicles, FMTV truck, and can launch the entire multiple launch rocket system. Family of munitions MFOM. The HIMARS ammunition is interchangeable with the HIMEL RSM-7I1. However, it can only carry one pod instead of the standard Tafut M-7I1 and A2 variants. The launcher is a C-130 fighter. The chassis is manufactured by BAE Systems Mobility and Protection Systems, formerly Armour Holdings Aerospace, and Defence Group Tactical Vehicle Systems Division, OEM of FMTV. The United States Army reorganization plans are the modernization 2015 to 2028 and reorganization 2006 to 2016 plans. United States Army conducted 2006 to 016 under the direction of the Brigade Modernization Command.
Yeah, I'm trying to impress my black
This effort officially began in 2006 when General Peter Schoomaker, Chief of Staff of the 35th Army, was given support to moving the Army from a Cold War divisional orientation to full spectrum capability with manned, equipped, and fully trained. This effort was completed at the end of 2016.